Where are you going to find the greatest cost recovery in the projects? So let's start with number 7, bathroom renovations. If you add a bathroom, statistically nationwide, 56% cost recovery. Number 6, adding a bedroom, an additional primary suite. Your cost recovery on an additional primary suite is going to be about 54% nationwide. Number 5, kitchens. Kitchens are the heart of the home. Whether it's a complete makeover or some minor improvements, nationwide you should expect about a 60% cost recovery on those projects. Number 5, adding living square footage. Finishing out an attic, finishing out a basement, your cost recovery in those situations is going to be about 71%. Number 3, replacement windows. If you use wood frame windows, you can expect about a 71% cost recovery. If you're using vinyl replacement windows, you can expect about the same. Number 2, near and dear to Lisa's heart, closet renovations. If you're going to do a big, beautiful closet renovation, you can expect about 83% of cost recapture. And the number 1, I bet you wouldn't guess it, replacing your front door. Statistically, if you use a fiberglass front door replacement, it will recover about 80% of the cost you invest. If you use a steel front door, it's going to recover 100% of the cost you invest to replace that door.